Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can transfer from Coinbase to Stake. In order to do so, here we are at coinbase.com, and to find the answer to our question, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of the top AI models available and get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, to transfer cryptocurrency from Coinbase to Stake, you generally need to follow these steps. First off, open your Coinbase account and go to the dashboard, log into your Stake account, navigate to the section where you can deposit cryptocurrency, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, copy your deposit address from Stake. This is the address to which you will send your crypto. On Coinbase, go to the Send Receive option, select Send, paste the Stake wallet address you copied earlier, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send, and double check the address and amount to avoid making mistakes. Confirm the transaction and wait for confirmation. Blockchain transactions usually need some confirmations before the funds appear in your Stake account. This might take several minutes to some hours depending on the network congestion and cryptocurrency. Some additional tips: make sure that you send the correct cryptocurrency to the corresponding wallet address on Stake, and consider sending a small test amount first before transferring large amounts. Check any fees associated with the transfer on Coinbase. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'll be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you'll get $125 per referral, and they'll get $50 to start an account. It is a fantastic deal. It's a win-win situation. Simply Financial is a wonderful bank and comes highly recommended.